Okay, so we are the Minds VEXU robotics team. We're going to run our inspection here quick before proceeding to our skills. So we have our inspection checklist for the VEXU division, and we'll start going through this. So tonight we'll be using a sizing tool to measure our robot. So just to ensure the sizing tool is indeed 15 inches, we'll measure it here for the camera. So 15 height. 15 width. Oops. And then 15 height again. So we'll run it through the robot. Right, and back for good measure. Okay, now we'll go side to side. Okay, and go back. Comes out clean. So we are within size. Check that. Okay, license plates. We'll have one license plate here, one license plate there. There's no components that will intentionally detach from this robot. There's nothing that will damage the field on this robot. And there's no sharp edges or corners. There's no unnecessary risk of entanglement. The robot brain can be accessed through this hole right here to turn on and off the robot. And this entire robot was designed and built by the students at the School of Mines. Moving into the parts section of the inspection, all the parts are within the VEXU rules. So using all VEX parts or 3D printed or other parts that could be machined. We do not use any commercial prefabricated products in our robot. There's no illegal electronics on the robot, and it uses all legal parts essentially. The robot has one brain right in here. There's one radio on the spot as well. And then there's one battery right back here. The sensors and electronics go through the cortex, all of them do. There's no additional lithium-ion batteries. There's only one controller which controls the robot. And the components of this robot have not been modified. So now we'll run just a quick demo of the controller connection with the robot. Turn the robot on, turn the controller on, and we'll be using the competition switch for this demonstration. So right now, the competition switch is in disabled autonomous mode. We will enable it. Autonomous begins, disable. So now we'll turn on driver. So driver's disabled. I can't move the robot. Enable driver, and I can move the robot. Okay, going back to the checklist sheet. We've passed inspection, so I will sign the team member spot and let the people on the other end of the recording verify that we have passed. So now we'll take a brief walk upstairs to our field where we'll run our driver and programming skills. We need a battery on this as well.
got it this time, right?
Code's Artemis. And we'll be running our first programming skills run on this attempt. Okay. Robots behind the line. Oh, yeah, turn it on. Okay, this will be a programming skills attempt. In 3, 2, 1, go. That's the best we can have. We'll score it and then reset. We could have got that one. That would have been the best song for it.
Bottom left, 2 blue. Middle left, 1 blue. Top left, no balls, none, no colors. Center top, 0 balls. Top right, 0. No red or blue. Middle right, no red or no blue. Bottom right, no red, no blue. Center bottom, 1 blue. Center, 3 blue.
Okay, so looking at the scoring sheet, we have blue owns the front side, middle, and right corner, and then the middle goal and the middle right goal. Blue has a total of 7 balls remaining, if my count is correct. Red has 0 balls scored. So that put into the equation is 0 minus 7 plus 63, which gives us a programming skill score of 56. Here, we gotta show up a little longer. 1, 2. Okay, we'll reset the field. So we'll reset the field for programming number 2.
Over there.
So behind the line, set up for programming number 2. It's connection. There it goes. Oh shoot. I misfired. I hit the wrong thing. Okay, that was a controller error, but it will count for our programming skills number 2. We just stop timed it and we'll count the score now.
Bottom left, 2 blue. Middle left, 1 blue. Top left, 2 blue. Center top, 1 blue. Top right, 2 blue. Middle right, 1 blue. Bottom right, 2 blue. Center bottom, 1 blue. Center, 3 blue.
So here's the score for a second run. There are 15 blue balls scored. All the goals are owned by blue, leaving us with a programming skill score of 0. So basically nothing on the field had moved.
I kicked that one by accident.
Okay, we'll reset the field for programming number 3.
Oh boy. All right. Damn it.
Robots behind the start line. Okay, our final programming skills will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Where's that to?
Just
Bottom left, 2 blue. Center left, 1 blue. Top left, 1 red, 1 blue. Blue on top. Center top, 0 red, 0 blue. Top right, 2 blue. Middle right, 0 red, 0 blue. Bottom right, 0 red, 0 blue. Center bottom, 1 blue. Center, 3 blue.
okay, so we have blue owning this row here on the diagonal, and this row on the right side. And then the other blue own goals are right there. And red has 1 ball scored, blue has 10 balls scored. So factoring the 2 rows plus 10 is 22. And then red has 1, so 1 minus 22 is 21. So negative 21 plus 63 gives us a final score of 42. So we're resetting the field for our next driver. Okay, so the robot's behind the white start line. And this will be our first driver skills attempt. The driver skills in 3, 2, 1, go.
Seconds. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good.
Bottom left, 1 red. Center left, 0 red, 0 blue. Top left, 1 red. Center top, 1 red. Top right, 1 red. Middle right, 2 red. Bottom right, 1 red. Center bottom, 1 red. Center, 2 blue, 1 red. Red on top.
Okay, so looking at the score sheet, we were missing this goal here. So red owns every goal but this middle right goal. Red had 9 balls scored. Blue had 2 balls scored. So factoring that in, red had 6 rows plus the 9 points gives us 45. Blue had 2 balls, so -2. Add that to the 63, gives us a final score of 106. We're going to reset the field for driver number 2. Okay, so the robot is behind the white start line. We'll set up. Okay, driver skills number 2. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Bottom left, 1 red. Center left, 1 red. Top left, 1 red. Center top, 1 blue, 1 red. Red on top. Top right, 1 red. Center right, 1 red. Bottom right, 1 red. Center bottom, 1 red. Center, 3 blue.
+63, 91. Right? 91. So looking at the score sheet, red owns all the goals except for the center. Blue had 3 balls in the center, 1 in this goal. So blue had 4 total balls left. Red had 8 total balls scored. Looking at the scores then, red has 4 connected rows plus their 8 balls gives us 32, minus the 4 blue balls, plus 63 gives us 91 for our driver skills score. We'll set up and run for driver number 3. Behind the line. Actually, let's read it. Sorry. Okay, we're still behind the line. Okay, so final driver skills in 3, 2, 1, go.
30. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Damn.
Yeah.
We'll put some balls in that ball.
Bottom left, one red. Center left, one red. Top left, one red. Center top, one red. Top right, one red. Center right, two red. Bottom right, one red. Center bottom, one red. Center, two blue, one red. Red on top.
Okay, so looking at the final skills score, we have all the goals owned by red. Red had 10 balls scored. Blue had 2 balls scored. So we take our 58 points for red minus 2 blue plus 63 gives us a 119 driver skills score. This was the final run for driver. Yeah, you want to show them here? So that concludes our skills matches for Minds VEXU. Thank you very much.